welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the piano part, accompaniment, chords to Ghost Town by Benson Boone. So I'll just sing a little bit just to reference where we are, but I have left where you can access the full chords and lyrics down below. So I'm not going to do a full playthrough at the end just because it's a very repetitive piano part. So here is middle C on my piano. So if you locate that pitch, we're going to be playing mostly below middle C. This one's in the key of A minor. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of A minor. So we are just going to be using all of the white keys. So I'll teach both hands at the same time. So left hand will be blue and the right hand will be orange on the screen. Almost every single chord in the song is a second inversion of a chord. And the left hand's only going to be playing one note. Well, it's up to you how you want to divide the notes. So I'm going to play one note in the left hand and then break up the chord in the right hand. So we have this really quick broken up arpeggiated style pattern. So the first chord is an F major. So F in the left hand, and then the right hand is going to play C, F, A. Just playing it up and down basically from left to right. So F, C, F, A, F, C. Do that twice, but it's really quite quick. And I do have the sustain pedal down as well with my foot. And then from there you're going to move that shape up one to G major, second inversion. So G in the left hand, and then in the right hand D, G and B, same pattern. And then this pattern is going to move down to E minor, so E in the left hand, and then in the right hand that's B, E and G, so E minor second inversion again. Do that twice. And then same pattern comes up to A minor. So A in the left hand, and then in the right hand E, A, C. So this is the intro we're doing, which also makes up the majority of the first verse. So basically we are maintaining this shape in the right hand. The intro goes like this. And then for the verse, you basically play that 3 times. You fill me up till you're empty. I took too much and you let me. It's dark, it's cold. If my hand is not the one you meant to hold. And instead of playing the A minor, you just hold an A down. And then it's into the chorus. My voice isn't really up to it today, so I'm not going to sing too much. So onto the chorus then. It's almost the same. There's one extra chord in there. It's like swapping out a chord. So we still have this F major to G. And instead of playing an E minor, we're going to come to C major. So that's C in the left hand, and then root position of C major in the right hand, so C, E, G, twice. And then we have the A minor, but once up and down, and then G major, there for 1 each, so A minor, G, back down to A, so it kind of walks it back down to F, G major, C major, A minor, G major, and then on the third time you just play, as you can see on the screen, you just play the F, the G, and you just then play the C. Then off. The first chorus is slightly different than the other two choruses. Then it comes off, and now into the second verse. So the first part of the verse is the same as the first verse. So we have the you know I'll stay, though you tempt me, but all this way's getting heavy. And then when he sings it's dark, it's cold, if my hand is not the one you're meant to hold. So this bit's slightly different, so I'll teach you this bit now. I guess maybe you could call this the pre-chorus, but I would just lump it in with the verse. So it's mostly the right hand. So we have an F major 7 chord. So it spells face, and you can bring your left hand in there if you want to play the F. So it's F, A, C, E. And then we have just a G major root position chord this time, which is G, B, D. And then we play a single B after that. We play an E minor chord in first inversion, so it's G, D, so it's G, B, and E. Play a single D, and then we just play A and C. So do that again. It's dark, it's cold, if my hand is not the one you're meant to hold. And then it's into the chorus, so it's just that we've seen the screen now 4 times. Maybe you'll be happier with someone else. Maybe loving me's the reason you can love yourself. Down, down, tear it all down. And then we have this bridge, which is like this guitar part. So we're just going to play the chords as we've been playing them before. The chords are on the screen, so it's a similar chord progression to the chorus, but we're going back to the E minor instead of the C. So we've got this. You can play a bit more loosely if you want. Just holding all the notes down instead of breaking them up. You can repeat the odd note if you want in each of your hands to make it sound a bit more loose. And the 4th time, they're just held. to the chorus, same as the second chorus. Maybe you'll be happier with someone else. Maybe loving me's the reason you can love yourself. Outro, I'm just going to hold these chords down. So we have the F major, the G major, the E minor, play single B, and then the A minor, and then that's how it ends. So that's the end of this video. If you would like to leave a request, leave them in the comments section below of this video. I've also left some videos here that I think you might like, so go and check those out as well. I also have a course. Visit bitesizepianocourse.co.uk and you can enroll and start learning how to read music. I'll see you in the next video.